Today, guys, you meet this monkey, Onion. Change your name to Onion, bro.
How to do that?
Go to the computer.
Okay.
Go
Which
to
one?
name PC and click name PC
Okay. Then PC.
and delete that.
Delete. Ah.
And while he does that, I will show you Jerkmate Pro.
Onion boy.
Hurry up, bro.
Wait, why am I pressing L?
If he does that, this video gonna be unedited, mate. Wait, I do have it.
Oh. Yeah.
I do have my stuff. Wait, yo! I got my stuff, bro. Yes, sir. Where you go? Where you go? Where you go? Where that monkey ball go?
I'm back. We don't talk about what happened.
Is that Onion Boy?
Okay,
Okay,
yeah.
just don't change your name. Just don't change your name. You're slow, buddy. Just don't change your name.
I got it, bro. I can change my
You don't gotta change your name, buddy.
See? I did.
Okay, finally.
I did now.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Let's start go.
Okay, buddy.
Rambo. Okay, no. Don't push me
Okay,
out.
show them how you run. Show them how you run.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Let's start go. Time to.
Look at this nigga. Look at this dude. Oh shit. Oh shit. Dog.
Two black.
You know what?
Two red.
Let me cook real quick.
You.
Oh shit. Ooh. Ooh. Beef.
He died, bro. Let me show
Bro,
you how
Mugla.
real.
Okay, you try to do.
I don't know how to do that. I'm
Sure,
going
just
to
try.
jungle.
Just try.
Okay.
It's
black Baboon.
Gavon. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Ah.
Gavon.
Around the angle.
Yeah, I don't think we should leak his real name.
Come on, guys.
Yo, I said, dog. Yo, why am I lagging?
Yo.
Yo, stupid ass.
Oh shit. Hey,
I hate
Gino.
niggas.
Bro,
Okay, I'm cursing that out, bro.
bro, why you did that, bro?
Okay, so our goal is to make it to Ikea with his stupid ass.
So we go to the
Okay, as I told you, you gotta run like this. No, you don't. You run like this.
I run like this. I run like this.
How you
We
run?
like this. We run like this. We run sideways.
Dog, you run like this. Oh my god, I hit the TV again.
We run sideways.
I done hit the TV again. You run like this.
We run sideways like this.
Oh yes, sir.
We run
If you don't know how to
sideways
break,
like this. I got it, bro. I got it. Okay.
you're slow as shit.
I'm stuck. Okay, guys, I got it. I got it now.
Okay. So our goal is to make it to Ikea. Yeah.
Okay.
If we can make it with a slow ass. If he die, I die.
Which way do we go? Left or right?
We gotta go left.
Right it is. Okay. Wait,
You
which way
fucking
is
nick.
right?
Huh?
Which way is right?
You're
This
dyslexic
way
too?
No, I'm not
Oh my
dyslexic.
god. First he got the Michael Jackson disease. And he's dyslexic.
So we go. We
say
go
Michael
to the
Jackson.
alley.
Say Michael Jackson for the audience.
I'm not doing that. Mike.
Say Michael Jackson for the audience.
Leave me alone. Leave me
Okay, say
alone.
Mexican for the audience.
Helicopter.
Say Mexican for the audience.
Come, Mexican, nigga.
Mexican.
Mexican.
Okay, just go. Okay. Come on, if you're slow.
Okay.
Oh wait, you need this.
Okay.
You need this.
Don't
You need this. You need this. Hold it.
How to put it on? How
You
to
gotta
put
grab
on?
it with. What the fuck? Okay, grab it from the tip. No diddy.
The tip.
You monkey.
Oh shit. Wait.
Here.
Wait, boy. Okay, I
Grab
the
it from
tip.
right here. You gotta use the bottom joystick. I mean, what the fuck? You gotta use the bottom thingy. Yeah, like that.
Okay.
That thing blocks
Now
away
what
the.
are
Do it like this. Look like this. Look, let go of it. Do it like this. Like this.
Oh.
It's better.
Like this.
Okay.
Oh.
And we're doing a race.
You know I'm
With
gonna
Onion Boy.
lose. You monkey. You know I'm gonna lose.
You got that,
I'm
bro.
gonna go-
Okay.
I'm gonna go first.
Okay, you're gonna go first.
How to use this?
Oh, so it basically. Oh, it basically blocks off the monsters.
So I just hold it in front of me like this.
Is it
I
in
went
your
down.
hand? It's right here.
It's in my head.
Let go of it.
Oh. I got it again.
Okay, come on.
What did you try to do? Okay. So we
You go
to the
first.
elevator.
You go first. You go
to the
first.
elevator.
You go first.
Okay.
Yeah, elevator.
Okay, we go.
Ladies first.
Okay. So if I say I'm gonna start hit them with this,
Hit me with it.
I hit them. I said if I say I'm gonna start hit them.
No, it like you place it in front of them.
Ah, and I won't die. Okay,
Yeah, you won't
bad.
die. Just
Bad.
don't let go of
Let
it.
me-
If you die and you still have it, you won't die. I like well you
me
will
take
die
this
and you
down.
have it in front of you. You still have it in your hand. Oh,
Okay,
oh,
let's
oh, oh. Yeah, look, they block it.
Stay away from me! Stay away from me!
Yo, run. Look at this goofy ass dude. Look at this goofy. Look at how he laugh. Go laugh like a girl. Look, bro.
You trying to be tall, boy? Trying to be tall? I'm so tall. Yeah, I'm tall. But oh.
Yeah, boy.
Oh.
Give me
Let
this
me
shit.
go grab by the top. Hey!
Go.
Okay.
Go.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh,
You stupid ass.
hey!
Watch this dumbass struggle. Watch this dumbass struggle. Look at this dude. Oh.
I got
Hey, yo, true.
I
Hey, yo, true. Yo, you don't want to come over here.
you get right. Ain't he touching you from the back, bro?
Get your freaky ass. You know what?
Oh.
Run it, run.
Ah.
Run.
I can't run.
Buddy,
I'm
go like this.
stop.
Look. Listen closely. You push up one arm all the way to the wall. And then push.
Okay. Dude. Okay. Put your hand on the ground.
Look. You put this hand. You wanna push this way, and then you jump over to the wall. Whatever wall you want. And then look. Listen. And then you
Okay,
wanna
when I
go
go up
fast. You wanna go fast. Okay, try doing this.
Okay, I think it's easier this way.
Wait, can you get on the cone? Yeah, you can. You can. Get on top of it. Look at you, stupid. How you missing? Look. Get on top of it. You almost did it, bro.
Okay, I have to power up that right now.
Use the cone. You can get up the
Okay.
cone. Oh wait, no, you can't.
Okay, let me jump on top of it.
Hold up. Oh, you gotta get the right angle. No, you can't. You can't get up yet. Where did you go? Oh. Yeah, you remember how I told you in Gorilla Tag? Look, pinch climb. Try to pinch climb yourself up. You can't grab it.
Okay, so I just. Okay.
Okay, look what I'm finna do.
Oh.
Okay, I'm finna lift up. Okay, Deontay. Onion. Okay, look.
Oh, a tree. Alright.
Oh my god, I'm about to blow.
Okay, I got this. Wait, what the gun that? Oh, okay.
Okay, I'm about to click the button and you wanna go up here.
Alright.
Before you even get stuck. Okay, I'm about to click the button.
About
to click the button.
Don't come in through that. I'm gonna die.
You know what, you're gonna get stuck.
Never mind. Oh, you freaky monkey. Press the button again.
Okay, hold up. You wanna go up. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Did you miss?
I'm learning about the beast.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Boing. Oh shit.
Let me have the go.
Boing. Yeah, you need it, bro. You need it.
I want
Okay.
Alright.
Bro, how long is this video gonna take?
We're
Okay, just go, bro.
I am the Gala.
Hurry up, mate.
I want to be the trolley.
Okay, we're good. We're good to go. Come on.
Okay.
You know what? Go back over there. Oh, you go first. Yo. You stupid nerd. Hey, give me this. You can't. You. Says the one who can't even say Michael Jackson.
Shut your mouth. I'm tongue twisted.
I'm tongue twisted. He can't say anything without three syllables in it. Oh yeah, good boy.
Shut your mouth. You monkey.
Okay, go to the elevator.
Okay, I'm better now.
Come on.
I'm better.
I freaking hate this game. You know what? Dang it. You know what?
It's big black monkey time.
Okay. I want you to come over here. Get on that. Quick.
Yeehaw.
Good boy.
Oh, I felt off. Oh,
Bro,
shit.
just get on that one. They can't get you on that one.
Okay, I got you.
Try doing this.
I'm not gonna do that since I'm gonna fall. So, is
Know
there
what?
another elephant? What are you doing?
Oh yeah, buddy, we're locked up. No
Hey,
monster
why
can
you
get in.
locked?
No monster can get in now. Oh, what the hell? Oh. We're gonna have to leave that for now.
Okay. So which way we go?
We're going up here.
Okay.
How are we just now getting up here? If it was just by myself, bro.
Alright, which way we going now?
This way. We gotta go that way. The right way.
Alright.
You see this
Go
hand and
right.
go that way. Yeah.
Alright, no going in dark paths now.
You know what I mean? Get up, get in here. Another cone.
Yippee! We have 2 cones now.
Here, you take this. I'm gonna come back and get the other one.
Okay.
Doobity doobity doo. I'm about to blow. Oh yeah, we good. Okay, go. Okay, come on.
Okay, let's go. Oh snap.
Right way. That way. Over there, over there, over there. Over there.
Oh, alright, alright.
Right, right,
Buns.
right.
Alright, which way now?
Straight left. Right here. Straight. Straight left. You know what?
Alright.
Give me your comb, buddy.
Why?
There's no monsters in here.
Alright.
Oh, doobity doobity doo. I'm about to blow. Yup. No monsters can get in. This is Ikea. We introduced this brand new monkey to the VR world. Into
Bro,
Ikea.
Ikea.
Into Ikea.
Ikea.
Yeah. How did you... Nah, cause you actually did it.
I just did the windmill. I just.
What's it?
I was displaying my arms.
You stupid.
Okay.
Okay, Brody, we're gonna end the video now. Okay, come on, you monkey.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna end the video now. Oh, so yeah. Please do not like and subscribe or comments. If you had to tell something to the internet, what would it be?
Oh,
You stupid.
Hello. I hit my balls. Ah.
Okay, bro.
Oh, dang it. The dang controller.
What would you like
Okay.
to tell to the YouTube video for last?
Let me come up there. Wait, where are you?
I'm up here. But
Okay. Windmill.
you know what? I understand it now.
Wait, I'm stuck.
Okay, just stay there.
Okay. I would like to tell them the internet. Keep hygiene.
Or you want to give a blooper for the next video?
Stay monkeys. Be
Stay
monkeys.
Stay monkeys. Okay,
Stay
you heard them.
monkeys.
Stay monkeys, you fucking nick.
You monkey. Alright.